Colonel, you got another one.
Keep playing with him, man.
Come on now. No. He wanted to run. He wanted to run under the boat.
Playing with him.
You got another one.
Yeah, we got another one. That makes 5.
Like Joe.
He
Come
can
on.
remember now.
Come on.
He can remember what he did
All
last
right.
time.
Oh, they're
That's a
getting
nice
bigger.
one, Colonel.
There we
Hold him
go.
up there.
Nice one.
Now look here. Tell the folks how you catching these fish. You going to the bottom, or you fishing live bait? You using chicken livers? What you doing?
I'm just so good. All I got to do is just put the rod in the water, top,
fishing-
bottom, or wherever.
You fishing bare hook?
Yeah,
That's against the law.
fishing on credit.